Hello everyone, welcome back to our Scratch class. In the previous lesson, we learned basic movement using move and turn blocks. But today, we are going to understand how movement really works in Scratch. This is one of the most important lessons in the entire Scratch class. Okay, so first we are taking when green flag clicked from events category, move 20 steps. This block moves the sprite forward by 20 steps. Now if I change 20 to -20, negative value makes the sprite move backward. Let's check it by clicking on it. See how sprite is going backward. Okay, so now I have removed one, and now you can click the green flag. So it is going backward. That means positive value moves forward, negative values moves backward. Scratch stage works like a coordinate graph. To make you understand XY axis, I will use XY grid backdrop. Let's choose XY grid backdrop here. So now we have XY grid backdrop and the sprite on the stage. Every position has two values, x and y. X controls left and right, y controls up and down. Let's see how it works with an example by taking add go to XY block. Already we have some values of x and y because our sprite is standing on the stage and has its location. So after changing the values of x and y to 0, our sprite position has been changed. You can see here. Our sprite is standing at the center of the stage. Now we will change the xy value one by one. First we will change x value here to 100. Let's see. Oh, a sprite is moving in right direction. When we have used -100, then it is going backward, means left. Now we will change y value. So y 100, it is going up. When we are putting -100, it is going down. So simple. Positive x values moves right, negative x values moves left. Positive y moves up and negative y values moves down. This is the foundation of all games in Scratch. Okay, next, go to random position block will make our sprite go to the random positions on the stage. It will not follow any one particular direction, it will go randomly. Now we will see another block, glide 1 second to XY, how it will work. So to check its working, I will take move 10 steps block and I'm making 10 to 100 steps. So what you have seen here, sprite jumps instantly to 100 steps. Now we will see the glide 1 second to XY. So I'm making X value 100 and Y 0. See how a sprite is moving smoothly. So this is the difference between move block and glide. Move block jumps instantly and glide block moves smoothly. Glide block makes your animation looks professional. Now I have taken glide 1 second to random position, how it is working. It is going to the random positions but it is moving very smoothly. Now I am removing these two blocks and we'll see the other block working. I am taking here point in direction 90. 90 is a degree here. This block points its sprite in 90 degree. So it can be replaced by any number. You can just change the number and see how your sprite is pointing. So the another way to change the direction I'm using here. Suppose you know your sprite should point in which direction, but you don't know the exact number. So you can do like this. By clicking on it, it will show the graph and you can change the direction by just clicking over there and taking that direction line. Now I'm taking another block, point towards mouse pointer. It makes a sprite follows your cursor. Okay, when I'm clicking on green flag, it is pointing towards my mouse pointer, but only once it pointed. So what I will do, I will just use repeat block. So 10 times it will repeat, but still it is not able to point every time, and we are not able to see it. So I'm using wait 1 second. It was pointing very instantly, so I was not able to see the repeat 10 times it is moving. It was showing the final direction. So I'm using here wait 1 second, which will make our sprite to wait 1 second and then it will show the another direction. Now we will learn about the block X, change X by 10. By clicking on it, see it is moving towards right. Now what I will do, I will change the direction here so that it should point towards 90 degree, and then we will click on this. Now it is moving towards right, forward, and changing its position by 10. This is very similar to what we have already learned about x-axis and y-axis. So we are changing x by -10, it is going backward in the left direction. Similarly, while using change y by 10, it will go up, and by changing its value to negative, it will go to down. So -10, it will go down. Next, we will see the working of another block, if on edge bounce. So to know the exact working of this block, I am using here forever block and move 10 steps inside it. I am just putting here. Now we will add if on edge bounce block next to move 10 steps block. Click on the green flag. See how sprite is moving. So this block is used to turn the sprite in the opposite direction as it reaches to the edge of the stage. By clicking on the checkboxes, it allows to show X value of a sprite on the stage area, similarly Y value and the direction of the sprite. Next one is set rotation style left right. Left right means the sprite can only face left or right, and any other directions around it. The sprite will also be horizontally flipped when facing left in the left style direction. Okay, don't rotate means that the sprite always faces as in 90 degree. So I am just showing one example here how it will work. I hope you liked my Scratch lessons video, and please do subscribe and like to my channel and videos. In the next lesson, we will use this knowledge to create keyboard control movement. It will give you experience of a game. If you like to read, I have my blog. You can find the link in the description box. Thank you.